Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Following are important tips to read before you submit your application to USCIS. Number 1. Read your K1 Fiancé visa checklist. Make sure all documents are attached together with your application. Number 2. Make sure you pay the correct fee amount by checking the USCIS webpage. Number 3. Make sure you fill out the up-to-date version of the Form I-129F. Number 4. Make sure you sign and date the form. Note, this is done by petitioner. Number 5. Where to file? Go to the USCIS webpage, I-129F Petition for Alien Fiancé for the correct address for your selected mailing provider. Number 6. Send copies only, not the originals. Send copies only, not the originals. Number 7. Do your best, pray, and hope the best for your immigration journey. And again, I'm not an immigration lawyer or attorney. What I share here is based on my immigration journey experience. Thanks again for stopping by. Please subscribe to this channel to watch more videos about my immigration journey.